Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how we can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for champion theme. For other themes, I have already published the code and videos on www.shopwebsitecodes.com. Here is the current situation of our store. You can see that we have this home page, and under this we have featured collection. We have some products displaying here without their color variants. And if you are visiting on our main collection page, then you can see that all the products are displayed here, but their color variants are not showing here. Firstly, you should go to your Shopify store dashboard, and here you can see that I have installed champion theme. The first thing is that you should take the backup of this theme. So click on these three dots, click on duplicates, click on these three dots again, click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. So we will be following the steps from the documentation. You will be getting a download link from the description below, and once you are downloading the file, there will be the zip file. You should extract it, and after that you will be getting all these files here. Open the document.txt, and here we have all the steps mentioned. So the first step is to create a new snippet, and the name of that snippet is color-variant. So let's create that snippet. Click on snippets folder, click on add a new snippet, and right here color-variant. And then click on done. We will be getting an empty file here. We need to paste the code inside of it. We have already written the code color-variant.txt. Just copy this complete code and then paste it inside of this empty file, and then click on save. Close this file, and here we have the second step, which is create new snippet color-product-card. So copy this name and create the new snippet again. Click on it, paste the name, and click on done. So here we have the empty file again, and we are interested to paste the code, which is color-product-card.liquid. So you need to copy this complete code and then paste inside of this empty file and click on save. The third step is go to sections, open main-collection.liquid, and then replace this li tag with this line of code. So firstly, open main-collection.liquid, go to sections, scroll it down. We have main-collection.liquid here, and we need to find that li tag. But how we will be finding? You need to copy this keyword product-card and search inside of this file. So press Ctrl F or maybe Command F and press enter key, and then you will be getting this li tag. So automatically the product-card is highlighted. You need to replace this li tag with this line of code. So let me remove this and paste the new line of code which we have here. And then after, the next step is go to sections, open feature-collection.liquid. So let me save these changes and close this file, and again we need to go to sections. We need to open feature-collection.liquid. We also need to replace this kind of li tag with this line of code. So how we will be finding? Again same thing, product-card, copy this and Ctrl F or maybe Command F, and here we will be having that li tag. So replace this complete li tag with this line of code. So let's delete this first and then paste the new line of code, and that's it. Yes. So click on save. So finally we end up with implementing all the steps which we had to do to implement that feature. Now it's time to test. Let's go to the main collection page. So here you need to refresh this, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all the products with their color variants are displaying here. If you are going to the home page, you can also see that we had only the products displaying earlier, and now we have the color variants as well. So this is looking more beautiful than before. Having any problem with the code, or maybe you stuck somewhere, I will definitely help you out in implementing this feature. We are not installing any app, so our speed will not be affected. We have some code snippet which are really optimized, and we don't have any kind of subscription fee. So only copy and paste things we need to. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are thinking this video was useful, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.